I'm Kaylee Brunke, and I'm here at Montana de Oro State Park. Around me you can see these yellow wildflowers that are part of the Superbloom this year, caused by the heavy rains we had this past winter. Montana de Oro, which actually means mountains of gold, is named after these yellow wildflowers that bloom during the springtime.
Superbloom is when you have an exceptional display of wildflowers. So some area or some species just germinates incredibly well. You get a ton of flowers. So it's a beautiful show of wildflowers in California.
Dr. Yost further explains how flowers germinate throughout the year. Germination is the process by which plants grow from a seed.
What happens in the Superbloom is these seeds, they start germinating with the rains that we get in October or November, December. They germinate and then they grow up, and by the time spring hits, they're flowering. And that's what we have going on right now with the Superbloom, is that they all just flower at the same time. They're all getting pollinated, and they're gonna set seed and die here in the next month. And then they'll be gone. And then maybe it'll be another decade before we see a showing like this again.
Third-year nutrition major Alexandra Udd recently visited the Carrizo Plain, a prominent viewing point for the Superbloom about an hour-and-a-half drive away from San Luis Obispo.
It's really cool. There's just bright yellow flowers everywhere. You pull up, and then there's Soda Lake, which is like the salt lake. So it's bright blue, and then there's kind of this white rim around it, and there's just flowers everywhere. Everything's bright green right now too.
You have probably 2 or 3 more weeks.
I'm Kaylee Brunke, Mustang News.